Do I have any advice or words of wisdom for the class of 2024? Yeah, don't be afraid to pursue whatever your dreams, whatever they are. As you have these dreams, that if you talk to people about them and you follow them, like, it will take you in interesting places.
It's so important that you are your own person. Work hard, don't give up on your goals. There's always a way to apply the skills that you have.
Do what you love, do what drives you.
Pursue your passions with dedicated practice and get better at it. Just look to get better a little bit each and every day.
Grades matter to an extent, but there are other things that matter, in my opinion, maybe a little bit more. Extracurricular activities, the friends you make, the groups that you work with, all of those give you skills that are really, really important and will help you get further on in your life.
Have fun. You know, you've made it so far in your life. Just enjoy what you're doing.
You know in your heart what it is you really like to do, so pay attention to it. And no matter what it is, dive into it and explore it more.
There's so many people out there that are willing to be mentors and help you, that if you just aren't afraid to talk about what you really want and what your goals are, the number of people that are out there that are willing to help you and help you kind of achieve that, it's just way more than you'd realize.
You know, looking back to when I graduated from high school, college, I think I wish I knew that there didn't have to be one single path to get to where you want to go. There's multiple ways to get there. Going into it, I thought you just really had to find a distinct way, and you don't. You can get there a ton of ways. So
It's okay to try different things, and it's okay to pivot and course correct as needed.
Don't worry if you don't know exactly what the path is. If you keep taking steps towards things you're passionate about, things that challenge you, you're going to create your own path, and that's even better than walking someone else's.